Instagram Stories now has link stickers and it's available to any account, and it doesn't matter how many followers you have and what type of account you have on Instagram. And with the link sticker inside of Instagram Stories, you could send people directly from Instagram Stories to any website, to any store, or to any YouTube video. Now let me show you exactly how this works in this video. And this replaced what's called a swipe up link, where you used to swipe up. You needed a business account and 10,000 followers for that. Now you don't need anything. We all are going to get it on all our accounts. So to use the link sticker, all you have to do is go to your profile page on Instagram here. This could again be for personal or business. Press your logo or profile picture right over here. And inside of this page, you could obviously upload right here from your photos library, or you could hold to take a video. In this case, I'll just take a video. And then here, to get the link sticker, it's under the stickers icon right here. Press this, and then you could add a link sticker here. It looks like this right here on mine, or you could search link right here and select it. And then it's gonna say, type in a URL. That's the website that you want people to go to. So it could be your business's website, or maybe a YouTube video if you're trying to get more views for that. Just type that in over here and then press done. And with the link stickers, you could tap it to get a couple of different looks out of it. They do change colors if you do that. And then you could also place it anywhere you want and increase the size. You could still add more text over here. If you wanted to add more text, you still have all the same options as before. Press done, and then when you're ready, go ahead and send it to whoever you want, or post it to your stories from the bottom of the page. And it's that simple to use the Instagram link sticker, available to every account on Instagram Stories. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.